so a lot of our viewers are students that are either contemplating applying or busy working on their portfolios. What advice would you give students who are currently working on their portfolios? What kind of stood out for you in your process you went through?
Yeah, honestly, I think it's like, once again, really important to just start the project. Just start it and start brainstorming, get organized. Like you said, follow that chart you gave me. Really start planning out what you want to show them and really thinking about what expresses your personality, your interests, how you see the world. Really plan out what you want to show them and think about it, because they see like thousands of these every year. They want to see something that's different from somebody else and what makes you different from the other students that are applying. So really think about what you want to put forward and how you present it, whether that's super formal or something maybe a little bit less informal, like I did. I drew some monastery leaves throughout my portfolio, something like that.
Right.
So really think about what you're putting forward.